From confusion to code. How Ravi became a Java developer. Ravi, a computer science graduate from a small town in Andhra Pradesh, found himself lost after finishing college. While he had a degree, he lacked the practical skills required to get a job. Every job listing seemed to ask for Java, Spring Boot, REST APIs, SQL, and real projects none of which his college had properly covered. One evening, while scrolling through YouTube, Ravi came across a video titled, "Why Java Developers Are Always in Demand." It explained how Java is used in everything from banking systems to enterprise apps. Inspired, he made a decision that Nith would become a Java developer, no matter what it took. He began his journey with core Java. Starting with a free YouTube course, Ravi committed to learning every day. He studied variables, loops, conditionals, and object-oriented programming. Although it was tough initially, with bugs and errors frustrating him, his dedication paid off. Slowly, he started writing simple programs like calculators and number games. To gain hands-on experience, Ravi started building small projects. His first was a student-grade calculator, followed by a mini banking system and a to-do list app. He explored Java Swing to add GUIs and learned to use Git and GitHub for version control. Knowing backend skills were crucial, Ravi learned JDBC to connect Java with MySQL. Then he moved to Spring Boot. It was intimidating at first, but he pushed through. He built a bookstore REST API with CRUD operations, user registration, JWT authentication, and database integration. These projects gave him real-world backend experience. Ravi also prepared for interviews by solving coding problems on LeetCode and HackerRank. He worked on data structures like arrays, linked lists, and trees, and studied algorithms and Java-specific topics like the collections framework and exception handling. After polishing his resume and GitHub profile, Ravi started applying for jobs. Rejections came. Some companies didn't reply, but he didn't quit. He refined his skills, practiced mock interviews, and kept learning. Finally, after months of effort, Ravi got hired as a junior Java developer in Hyderabad. On the job, he wrote APIs, fixed bugs, worked with databases, and contributed to real projects. His confidence grew as he became a valuable part of the development team. Ravi's journey is proof that you don't need a fancy college or paid courses to become a developer. With consistency, real projects, and a willingness to keep improving, anyone can do it. Just like Ravi did on line of code at a time.